Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to the channel. I am in my new garage today, but it's not to show you around the garage. It's to really update you on what's been going on here at Pat's Garage Online. First off, of course, we have the NSX behind me, but I no longer have the Porsche Cayman GT4. So that car was just recently sold to a good friend of mine, Josiah, and there's a link in the description below with his Instagram. He's already been making some updates to the GT4 and it looks fantastic. I really appreciate Chasing the Apex Jay for giving me the opportunity of purchasing that car, but it also feels really good to have a friend buy this car and to have it locally here in the same area where I'm at in Maryland. So congratulations to Josiah, and I hope you enjoy the GT4 like you did your original GT4. Secondly, the Acura NSX, my first supercar, is on its way out of the garage. Yes, today I've actually sold this car and a transport is about ready to pick it up. Now, congratulations to David from Drivers Therapy YouTube channel out in Colorado. He decided to reach out to me and make an offer on the NSX, and I was just very, very pleased with our interaction, and I said, you know what, the car's going to you. I'm very, very happy that David is picking this car up. Now, he already has a bunch of really cool cars, so check out the link in the description for his channel. David is a great guy, and I feel that some of the work that he's done on his channel is very similar to my offerings here on Pat's Garage Online, so the car is going to a great home. The NSX has been a remarkable car. It's going to be very, very hard to replace. In fact, I didn't really want the NSX until I drove it. This is a true driver's car, and it was a fantastic offering when I picked it up from Courtney at Pohanka down in Virginia. It was a CPO car at the time, and I decided, you know what I'm going to do with this is create more content. Since I had the BMW i8 content, I figured let me make some content on the NSX. One problem with that was that the NSX is so reliable and does not have the quirks that the BMW i8 has. So I actually bought the wrong car for content, but I bought the best car to take it out and enjoy it on any day, whether it was at the track or taking it to Cars and Coffee or just, you know, blasting my way around the back roads here in Maryland. I even took it on a rally and really enjoyed the Tour Deluxe rally with Steve and the gang. So it's been a terrific car all around. Highly recommended if you've never owned or considered an Acura NSX. Highly recommended. This car is amazing, and in fact, it was even great to take it up to Rich and let him experience it as well, Rich Rebuilds. So congratulations to David. You're going to enjoy this NSX, I hope. It's been super reliable for me, and I expect that you're also going to have nothing but good results with the car. So what did I do with this car since I've owned it? Well, I decided to do a full paint correction and also a ceramic coating. Decided to pick up the HRE wheels here and put my summer tires on those and have the the all seasons that I had picked up and tested remain on the stock OEM wheels. So I went ahead and packaged them up. Transport's going to take them along with the car to David in Colorado. Now, the spec that I have here with the NSX being mostly carbon, of course, carbon on the outside, carbon engine bay. I didn't have the carbon interior, but I did put the carbon steering wheel on the car. And ultimately, this thing has been nothing but fun. A pure rocket on the road and surprising everybody who's had an opportunity to drive it. And I've shared a bunch of those videos on my channel. So it's definitely going to be missed. But it is time to move on. So what's next for my channel? Well, you know, I have the urge to get into something even a little bit more expensive and exotic, and that may be the direction that I go. But ultimately, right away, what we're going to do is we're going to replace this car with a Hyundai Ioniq 6 We're going to go pure EV. Now, the garage that I'm in right now, it's a rental home, has the NEMA 1450 plug on the wall over there, which means that it's very easy to do a level 2 charge here in the garage. And Alana, my fiance, she will be driving the Ioniq 6 back and forth to work. And an EV like that seemed to be the right decision. So I'm going to have a video on that. There'll be a link in the description. And we're actually going to pick that car up and drive it from Florida to Maryland. First EV, first road trip, and all we're going to do is plug the car in along the way. So that's at least going to be the brand new car coming to the garage. And then after that, well, we'll just have to see. So thanks for watching the channel today. I appreciate you following along with the update. I still have more content that I got to edit and upload. But if you like today's content, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, click on the subscription button. Ring that bell for notifications. I'll be producing more cool car content, and you're not going to want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and happy motoring.